What does error code 277 mean in Roblox?
Hey there, Roblox fans! If you've stumbled upon this video, it's probably because you're experiencing the pesky error code 277 in Roblox. In this video, we'll break down what it means, why it happens, and what you can do to get back in the game.
What is error code 277 in Roblox?
The error code 277 in Roblox is a type of connection error that is typically followed by the message, disconnected, lost connection to the game server, please reconnect, error code 277. This error code usually appears when there's a problem with your internet connection, or there are server-related issues with Roblox itself.
Why does error code 277 occur?
There are several possible reasons why you're seeing error code 277. The most common ones include server disruptions on Roblox's side, poor network connection on your side, or temporary issues with the game itself. Sometimes, it could also be caused by corrupted game data in your Roblox application.
How can I fix error code 277?
Fortunately, there are several ways you can try to fix error code 277 to 1. Restart your device. This is a simple but often effective solution. Restarting your device can help resolve minor glitches that may be causing the error. 2. Check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is stable. You might want to restart your router, switch to a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi, or even move closer to your router if the signal is weak. 3. Clear Roblox cache. You can clear the cache of your Roblox application. This is often helpful if the problem is caused by corrupted game data. 4. Reinstall Roblox. If nothing else works, you might need to uninstall and reinstall Roblox to ensure you have the latest and most stable version of the game. Remember, if none of these steps work, it may be a problem on Roblox's end. If that's the case, you'll just need to be patient and wait for them to fix the issue. Error code 277 can be a pain when you're just trying to enjoy your game, but now you know what it means and how to tackle it. Remember, it's often a connection issue either on your side or the server's side. Try the steps we've covered, and hopefully, you'll be back in your game in no time. Happy gaming!